everyone, Ed and Michelle here with the great indoors, and today we are in Salem, Massachusetts, and we are starting our tour today at the Salem Visitor Center. And the main reason why we are here is to explore the history of the Salem, Massachusetts area, and of course the Salem Witch Museum. And there's Michelle looking for the t-shirts. While we were in the visitor center, they have walking tours here in Salem, but they're only on the weekends. But they gave us this map that shows us the areas of highlight where we could go on our own without paying for it. It was like $12 a person. And as you can see, there's people over there doing their own little tour already. So you want to do that and walk around and check out some of the historical sites?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, let's get to it then. Michelle caught the sight of this over here, Halloween Museum. Is there a cost for entering?
What?
Is this, how much is it to get in?
It's $8 for adults.
$8 for adults? And is...
You want to do it?
Hey. Okay.
You know who would like this? Carpetbagger. You know?
Let's keep the Ouija board inside the case, okay? Oh, this is freaky. Wow. Very cool. It's so much better when you have the glasses. I'm sorry that it's not 3D for you guys. I'm going to turn this off. All right, that 13 ghosts in the Halloween Museum is pretty awesome. I talked to the girl, and we also set up for a witch tour at 2 o'clock. It's a walking tour at 121 Essex, right over here. We'll be meeting and we'll be seeing all the hot spots for the history of the Salem witch trials. Pretty awesome. So I asked them if we could bring the camera, and they said pretty much yes. So you guys are going to be coming along. Crowhaven Corner, purveyor to witches around the world. And then you got, remember Salem, the fine wizard wares, makers of fine wands, and since 1692 they actually had a wand store. I gotta see what a wand store looks like.
Oh, I see. It's in that basket. Makes sense. What kind are they?
Oh my God, these are actual.
Oh, they're so little. I was looking for a big one, like my mother always said.
Do you believe this? Actual wands.
Welcome in. Just so you know, all of our wands on the wall you're looking at now are made of New England maplewood, and they're actually made in our basement right below you.
Wow, so it's not made in China or something like that. They're actually made, American made.
Right underneath.
All right.
Hey guys, welcome in. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to pretend to know the answers.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
This is awesome.
Thank you.
Harry Potter would be proud. You know?
My boss actually made in his shed because he's afraid of the ghosts in the basement.
The ghosts in the basement.
So those are the last 3 of this collection right now, only because it's way too hot for him to be making any wands outside right now.
What is this? Is this just an old magnet or a magnifying glass?
Found that at like Trader Joe's or something or like Home Goods or something.
Yeah.
It was cool and it matched the aesthetic, so we got it.
Oh. Well, it works. It grabbed my attention right away.
Oh, I love that.
This is awesome.
Thank you.
Look at that hat there. All right. Erected by the followers of the very Reverend Theobald Matthew, Apostle of the Temperance, born October 10th, 1790. Died in December of 1856. Wow. Check that out. This land was once owned by Richard Moore, the only Mayflower passenger to move from Plymouth to Salem. Wow. That's history right here, man. Pretty cool. Salem, Massachusetts. Look at this. This is like an outdoor mall here in Salem. There's the Essex Museum over here. And there's a truck about to run me over there. Okay, I didn't know there was through traffic over here. Look at this waterfalls over here. Very, very cool. Wow. That's cool. Bewitched in Salem. Boy, they really go all in with the witch stuff here. Crystals, books of shadows, wands, brooms, a lot of omen, psychic parlor, and witchcraft emporium. Village. Holy cow, look at that. That's cool. Yeah. He's got some scraggly hair on him too and everything. I don't even want to touch that. Village Silversmith. Witch City Inc. So you can get a tattoo here. There you go. I should tell Michelle about that. Red Line Cafe. Wow. Lots of things to do and see here in Salem, Massachusetts. Very, very cool. One thing I noticed, there's a lot of outdoor walking, eating areas. Each restaurant has its own outdoor eating area. And according to the woman at the Halloween Museum, it's really big around here in late September and into October. It's like crazy busy every single day. This is really cool. And a UPS truck is about to run me over. Daniel Lowe and Company. Holy cow. Elizabeth Montgomery from Bewitched. How cool is that? Like the guy over here was saying, I've never been that close to a movie theater. Wow. All you need is the mother-in-law here and Darren, and things will be complete. Got a question for you. Dick Sargent or Dick York? Me and Michelle we love Dick York, the original. He was the best Darren in Bewitched. Yeah. It wasn't the same once he stopped being in the show. I did not know this, but Salem is the birthplace of the National Guard. Just a pretty cool FYI. Oh wow. That is so cool. The Salem Witch Museum. And not to be outdone. Look at that. Awesome. Roger Conant, born in 1592 and died in 1679, the first settler of Salem. Wow. This is pretty awesome. Okay, this wraps up our first part of our Salem walking tour, and we're going to be starting in a little bit the guided tour of all the historical places here in Salem. and I'm going to make a separate video for that. So please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do that too, and comment, because your comments help drive the type of content that we put on this channel. So your input, whether good or bad, is very appreciated and needed. So thanks again for watching The Great Indoors with Ed and Michelle. See you in the next episode. Bye bye, everyone. Another good hit with the buffalo. Good job. She's on a roll more than me, man. She gets the strike. All right. Oh boy. Oh, that looks good.